9 reasons you're always tired and how to fix them. Hey everyone! Do you feel tired all the time, no matter how much you sleep? Today, we'll explore 9 common reasons why you might always feel exhausted and share some tips to help you regain your energy. Let's get started. 1. You're not getting enough sleep. The first reason is simply you're not getting enough sleep. Adults need at least 7 hours of sleep per night. When you don't get enough rest, it affects your focus and overall health. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene is the first step to feeling more energized. 2. You're dehydrated. Reason number 2, dehydration. Fatigue is often a sign that your body needs more water. If you wait until you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day to stay refreshed and alert. 3. You're not eating balanced meals. The third reason is an unbalanced diet. Eating too little or consuming unhealthy foods can make you feel sluggish. To keep your energy stable, eat balanced meals that include protein and complex carbohydrates. Don't skip breakfast. Start your day with nutrient-rich foods for sustained energy. 4. You're overloading on caffeine. Reason number 4, too much caffeine. While caffeine in moderation can boost focus, overdoing it can increase your heart rate and blood pressure, leaving you feeling even more tired later. Try cutting back on caffeine and see how your energy improves. 5. You have sleep apnea. Number 5 is sleep apnea. This condition causes your breathing to stop temporarily during sleep, often due to snoring, which prevents deep, restful sleep. Even if you think you've slept 8 hours, your body might not have gotten the rest it needs. Losing weight or quitting smoking can help reduce sleep apnea symptoms. 6. You have anemia. The 6th reason is anemia, a common cause of fatigue, especially in women. Iron deficiency, often due to menstruation, can leave you feeling weak. To combat anemia, include iron-rich foods like lean meat, liver, shellfish, or beans in your diet. Iron supplements can also be helpful if recommended by a doctor. 7. You're depressed. Reason 7, depression. Depression doesn't just affect your mood, it can also cause fatigue, headaches, and loss of appetite. If you're experiencing these symptoms, seek help from a mental health professional. There's no shame in asking for support. 8. You have diabetes. The 8th reason could be diabetes. When your blood sugar is high, it can't effectively convert to energy, leaving you feeling tired even after eating. If fatigue persists, consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and management plan. 9. You have hypothyroidism. Finally, number 9, hypothyroidism. Your thyroid controls your metabolism, and when it's underactive, you may feel fatigued, gain weight, and experience other symptoms. Fortunately, hypothyroidism can be managed with prescribed hormone therapy. Don't hesitate to get checked if you suspect this might be the cause. And there you have it, 9 reasons you might always feel tired. Do any of these resonate with you? Taking small steps to address these issues can make a big difference in your energy levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay energized.